In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off or remove parental controls on PS4. So first, sign into your main PlayStation Network account on your console, and we're going to scroll up and scroll over, and we're going to go to Settings. Now from Settings, scroll down and select Parental Controls, and then we're going to select PS4 System Restrictions. Now here's where you're going to have to enter in your passcode. If you don't know what it is, try the default passcode, which is 000. Now once you're in this section, go to Default Parental Controls, and from here, you'll be able to adjust the age level for games. So we're going to scroll all the way up to the top, which is going to be allowed, and this is going to allow you to play any game on your console as there's no restrictions. Now in addition to that, you'll be able to adjust the age level for DVDs as well as movies. So if you select this option here, just change it to allowed and allowed. And after you change everything to allowed, you'll no longer have parental controls on your PS4. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.